Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review this website. The website name is Sutra and the product name is, you can say, aero styler. So this is the product, like this one, aero styler, and you should purchase this product on this website or not, and what are the problems. So my dear friends, we have made a lots of research on this website, and what we find that the website is original and you don't need to worry about it. You can purchase products very easily. So you can see this is the website, and when we make a research, what we find that they are present on social media also, and they have a good reputation on, you can say, scam advice website. Like this website is 12 years from now. This is a very popular website and this is a very old website. So this is a good indication. And if we're talking about like contact information, but we find that they did not provide any kind of contact information. So you need to contact with the customer support team via filling this form. So before making any purchase, you need to contact with the customer support team, and if you get good reply, then you can purchase product without any doubt. Okay, so if you feel like some kind of, you can say, delay in customer support team, then you can avoid. If you get good replies from their side, then you can make a purchase, because the website is looking good and the website product is looking also good. But the only problem is they did not provide any kind of phone support, direct phone support. Okay, so without contact, you can say, without customer support, how you can contact with the customer support team? So the only problem with the website, that is, you can say, direct contact information. So you need to contact with the customer support team, and if you get good reply, then you can contact, or you can say, then you can purchase any product on this website. Okay, so this is the review of sutrabeauty.com website. So if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. If you did not get support from their side, then you can avoid product. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.